Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for cooking with me, cooking my Christmas dinner with me, guys. I'm done and dinner is served. You are all welcome. Come and join me to celebrate Christmas. Hello, Merry Christmas, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? I hope you are in good health. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erama Moses. Join me as I prepare my Christmas dinner, guys. So stay tuned, relax, and watch this video to the end and enjoy how I prepare my Christmas dinner. So this video is come dine with me or come cook with me, guys. Let's enjoy this video. I want to take this opportunity to wish each and everyone Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Guys, I love you guys so much. If you are new to this channel, guys, I want you to hit the subscribe button and come and be part of this beautiful family. In this channel, we upload videos of cooking, hair tutorials, makeup, lifestyle, healthy eating, and everything goes, guys. In my channel, everything goes. So just feel free to join this beautiful family. Thank you. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Enjoy. Guys, our dinner is served. We have our turkey there. We have our veg, our gravy. We have our kebab, sausage kebab is there, jollof rice. We have our roasted potato as well. We have our Yorkshire pudding, Guinea fowl is there. We have our lamb and our chapelata. We have chicken kebab. Guys, you are all invited. I want to take this opportunity to wish all my lovely subscribers and viewers a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Today is my son's birthday and I want you guys to wish him a happy birthday for me. Is here, Stephen, come to me, come and say hello to my subscribers. Your birthday, say hello. Say hello, he's crying. Say hello and Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Please wish him a happy birthday for me. Today is his birthday. I love you so much. Guys, let me leave you here. Enjoy your Christmas. And I will see you after Christmas, guys. Subscribe. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Guys, this is my son's birthday cake. He's 4 today, so we have birthday cake for him. We are going to cut the cake. You will see him when he's cutting the cake as well, guys. Wish him well for me. Don't forget to wish him happy birthday for me. He's so special to me. He's my Christmas Jesus. I have Jesus in my own house. Christmas baby, guys. It's a blessing to have such a baby in your house, guys. Thank you, guys. I love you so much. I don't know what I would do without you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you from the love of my heart, guys. Subscribe.